How to use Amazon gift card balance for UPI payment. So basically just an explanation on what you can do, since directly doing this is pretty much not possible, since you can't really use a Amazon gift card balance to make UPI payments like GPay or other stuff, since Amazon gift card balance is locked inside Amazon itself. You can only use it for Amazon purchases, and it can't be transferred to bank accounts, so it can't be linked to UPI. So to explain even further, UPI does require a bank account or a wallet that supports UPI withdrawals, and Amazon gift card balance is neither. So you can use it for shopping in Amazon itself, but workarounds you can technically do to help you pay with your UPI using the Amazon gift card is to buy items and maybe resell them for the funds itself to pay for UPI. Or you could use third-party exchanges, but that is the riskiest option you have. The better option is to just go with the reselling stuff, but again, you can't really use a Amazon gift card directly to pay for your UPI payment. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.